Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to update the firmware on GARMIN Varia RearVue 820 using Varia application on your smartphone. So first of all, we're gonna need to connect our smartphone and our Varia. So if you need to know how to pair them, you can either follow my simple instructions, or you can watch a separate video on it that is also available on our channel. So first of all, we're gonna have to open the Varia application itself. The Varia application can be installed from both Google Play Store and App Store. After that, in order to put your device into pairing mode, you have to press and hold the power button on it for about 2 seconds until the LED indicator starts blinking purple. This will enable the pairing mode and will let you pair your device to your smartphone. Okay, since my device is already paired, I'm just gonna turn it on normally so that it can connect to my phone. Okay. Now let's wait for the connection. And now let's open the RearVue 820 menu. Here we'll have software updates. Now make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection before selecting this option. And here you'll see an update if it's available. And if it is, select update now, then install update. And then wait for the static green light on your LED indicator, which will indicate that the software update was successful. If it flashes red, then it means that you have to try again. So now let's simply wait for the results. Okay, so after the firmware update is sent, our Varia device is supposed to finish the update, then restart and become available again once the update is finished. Okay, so after your device restarts in a few minutes, it will become active again and it will be reconnected with your application, and you'll be able to check for the software updates again. And if this time it says that firmware is up to date, then you don't need any more updates, well, until the new one is released. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.